This is the cutest bear you will ever see in your life. There was a bear who lived in the forest with his wife and their 3 kids. One day, they were strolling through the forest when they saw the cutest little kitten. The mother bear immediately fell in love with the kitten and wanted to adopt him. So they took him back to their cave and the bear family welcomed the kitten as one of their own. The father bear was a bit skeptical, but he eventually warmed up to the kitten and started teaching him how to fish. They would go out fishing every day, and the kitten would catch the biggest fish. One day, a hunter came across the bear's cave and saw the kitten playing inside. He couldn't believe what he was seeing, so he went inside to investigate. When he saw the bear family, he was so shocked that a bear would adopt a kitten, let alone 3. He had never seen anything like it before. The hunter decided to document the bear family and share their story with the world. And that's why